Hi, my beauties. Welcome to crafting your own twist up pencils. So first of all, I'm just showing you us pouring the finished product into the pencil mold, and then we're going to go back through the details with the recipe of how this is made. So here I am pouring the black eyeliner into the mold, and once it has cooled down, then we remove it, open up the mold, and then you will see the hopefully some finished little pencils ready to be put into the twist up pencil. You've got to be very careful here that you don't break them. They are very delicate. And I also check for any imperfections, and they can always be melted down and re-poured for any that we don't like. And that's ready for use. That one was okay. And then you can see that one broke. And then we remelted and poured again. So the ingredients that we used in this, first of all, the first ingredient is the oil wax base. So we have a base made of natural plant wax called carnauba wax, beeswax, stearic acid, and then organic castor oil and organic jojoba oil. So 5 ingredients in total. We then melt the waxes and oils in a Pyrex glass pot, and then we mix in the pigments and pour into the mold. So here we are showing the process from using the pre-made base, and we melt it, and then we add the pigment. So we added 3 teaspoons of pigment to 16 gram here of the base. And again, as you can see here, this is a lip pencil, the pink one. And then here's another fun video showing the process. So you can see here the melted wax, the pigment, and this is to make an eyebrow pencil. So we have the wax melted, mixed up with the pigment, and then poured. This is a mini mold we used to have. And you see one was discarded there. So in this video, we made an eyeliner, a lip liner, and an eyebrow pencil, all using the same mold. If you have any questions, please contact me. Otherwise, stay beautiful.